So what I'm going to talk about now, I make it the presentation in like 4 or 5 layers. We'll talk about the main computer problems, just to start with, because my specialty, like 10 years ago, I done my master's in securing computer networks. Why would I choose securing computer networks? Because we are in the third world, we are users. We don't, we'd love to, but we are not building something. We are using the technology. So why not to secure it by our own hands? Why should we depend on others to secure us, and maybe they have the code. If they have the code, they can break it. But if I make the code, so I've done my master's in securing computer networks. So this is what I will start with, and then we'll talk about the database security, then the programming, we'll compare the in-house and the off-the-shelf software purchasing, and then we'll talk about the management information systems briefly, and then we'll have some advice on the different areas in the market later on once you graduate, inshallah, and get into the market.